Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can create a WhatsApp account. Creating a WhatsApp account is very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take is to download and install WhatsApp into your mobile device. And for you to do that, you have to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. Since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial today, let me go over to my Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone, just go over to your App Store. So let me scroll now to look for my Play Store. So guys can see the Play Store icon right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search icon below. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. Then what you're going to do here now is to search out WhatsApp, and you can do that by tapping on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on the search bar. Then what you can do now is to type in WhatsApp. So let me type in WhatsApp, WHATSAPP. Then you tap on search. Wow guys, right there is the WhatsApp. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it to open the WhatsApp page. Let me tap on it. So guys can see here's the WhatsApp icon, the WhatsApp logo. You can see the name there, WhatsApp Messenger. So now for you to install this app, what you simply have to do is to tap on install. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it has started installing. As you can see, there's a 7%. So what you have to do is just to wait till it gets to 100%. Then once it's done downloading, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let me just wait for a few seconds. The WhatsApp Messenger is really downloading at a low rate. That's because my data connection is actually poor. So depending on your data connection, how strong it is, it's going to download very fast or very slow. So guys, let me wait for a few seconds. You can see it's at 18% right now. So guys, now you can see the WhatsApp Messenger is done downloading and installing. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on open. So let me tap on open right away. Wow guys, can see WhatsApp is opening. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow, we can see what's written there. Welcome to WhatsApp. Choose your language to get started. So what you have to do now is to scroll through to look for the language that you're conversant with. I'm going to leave it at English. You can see English is already selected, which is the device language. So let me tap on next. You can see the next icon there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. You can see here's the next step. Welcome to WhatsApp. So you have to agree to continue. So let me tap on agree and continue. You have to agree to the privacy policy and terms of services. So let me tap on agree and continue. You can see down there, that's the notice. Let me get to read it. It says allow WhatsApp to send you notification. So let me tap on allow. Then here is the next step. It says enter your phone number. WhatsApp, we need to verify your phone number. So what you have to do now is to select your country and also input your phone number. You can see my country is already selected. So let me go ahead now to input my phone number real quick. And also make sure your country code is selected. You can see my country code right there on the left hand side. Now I've inputted my phone number. So what I can do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next right away. You can see it down there. You can see it's connecting. Still loading. Here's another notice that popped out. It says, is this the correct number? Yes, that's the correct number. So let me tap on yes. Let me tap on yes. If it's not yes, you tap on edit. You can see it's verifying it. You can see what's written there, sending code. So a code is going to be sent to my number. You can see what's written there, verifying your number, waiting to automatically detect 6-digit code sent by SMS to your phone number. So a code will be sent to my phone number via SMS and it's going to be detected automatically. Then the verification will start. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see now verifying. It's now verifying it has been detected. Wow guys, can see verification complete. Now I've been verified. My phone number has been verified automatically. You can see what's written there, contact and media. To easily send messages and photos to your friends and family, allow WhatsApp to access your contact, photo and other media. So let me tap on continue right away to give WhatsApp access. Then let me tap on allow. Let me tap on allow again. Then let me tap on allow all. You can see another notice. It says, if you previously backed up to Google storage and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups. Let me skip that. But if you want to do that, you tap on give permission. So let me tap on skip. So guys, now here is the next step. So now you have to input your name, your WhatsApp name, whichever name that you want to answer. You can go ahead to input it right there. And also if you want to change your profile image, you can tap on where the arrow is pointing. You can see that camera icon there. By tapping on it, you to direct it to your camera, to your phone camera, to your photos. They'll be able to select the picture or the photo that you want to use as your profile photo. So guys, now that's my name, or I can edit it if I want to. You can see I can edit it to phone mobile, and also I can change my profile image. You can see my profile image right there. If I want to change it, I'll just tap on the camera icon. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I can tap on gallery, then it will direct me to my gallery to select the photo I want to use, but I want to leave the photo like that. So now what you have to do next now is to tap on next below. So let me tap on next. You can see the next step. They said log in securely and protect your account. Create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log into your account. Log in WhatsApp with your face, fingerprint or screen lock. Your passkey is stored safely in your password manager. So let me skip this. I can do this later on. Let me tap on skip. Is this your email? Yes, that's my email. So let me tap on here. Let me tap yes. You can see now it's initializing. It says please wait a moment. So let me wait for a few seconds. I'm going to have my WhatsApp account in a few seconds. Wow guys, you can now see I've successfully created the WhatsApp account. You can see it right there. It says start chatting, message privately with your 861 WhatsApp contacts, no matter what device you use. So I can now select whichever person I want to chat on WhatsApp. So I can decide to tap on this person now. So I can decide to send the person hi. So let me just simply send hi. You can see now I've sent hi to the person. So I now have my WhatsApp. I can also go over to the status to update. You can see I can view the status, WhatsApp status of the contacts that I have. You can see it, and also I can go to community. You can see, and also I can do WhatsApp calls to see the history of my WhatsApp calls. So guys, this is how you can actually create a WhatsApp on your mobile device, a WhatsApp account on your mobile device. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.